Everything lit, oh you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
What's good, y'all? We back with another YouTube video. So, as y'all know, today's title, oh, don't mind that, y'all. It's a maintenance vlog or whatever, y'all. So we're getting my nails done, y'all. This is the before, girl. But your girl is moving in 4 days. Look, y'all. That's some of the stuff, y'all. There's some stuff in my room, but oh. Your girl got mixed feelings about it now, but you know, she's excited to go. But at the same time, mixed emotions. But yeah, so like I said, maintenance vlog or whatever, getting my nails done first. Then the next thing is my hair, lashes, and eyebrows and makeup. But that's all happening on Tuesday, y'all, before I move in. I'm moving August 14th. So by the time y'all see this video, I will probably be moved in. I don't know, but yeah, so just stay tuned when I show y'all my nails. And yeah, oh, and also y'all, quick life update, y'all. My dog passed like 4 days ago now, so RIP to her. I love her so much. And yeah, okay, y'all, so this is the look or whatever, y'all. Keep in mind, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what I wanted. This is what I got. I'm not even gonna complain, y'all. I'm not even gonna complain because the lady was like, oh, they don't have the color or whatever. I'm like, okay, cool. And for one, like, I'm not the type to complain about stuff like that. Like, I don't know, that's just not me. And it's like, yeah, I know how to speak up for myself, but sometimes I just don't want to complain to somebody, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like everybody out here work hard. We all do what we gotta do to make money. But I don't know, I just didn't feel like I needed to say something because I don't know. I'm not saying this is bad. This is the worst. It's just like a sparkly French tip, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's really not bad, y'all. It's not. But at the same time, it could have been better. In my feet, like my feet, y'all, my toes, I'm not rocking with the color either because once again, she said she didn't have the color, and I was like, okay, I didn't want to pick another color because I'm gonna show y'all what I wanted. But it's okay. It's okay. The nails are done. Let me just till they're done. Period. So next on Tuesday is, oh y'all, sorry, my hair and everything else that I had told y'all previously. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned, y'all. And yeah,
The next day.
hey y'all, so one more day into moving. The hair is done, feel me? So yeah, tomorrow, like I said, is official move-in day. And yeah, y'all are gonna come along with me. It's gonna be so much, y'all, like literally. So the rest, everything else is just like my lashes, eyebrows, and like just simple stuff that gotta be taken care of. But yeah, so stay tuned, y'all. Hopefully y'all like this vlog. I never done a maintenance vlog for real, but yeah, it's moving day vlog, y'all, whatever. So this is my last night being at the crib. This is not all my stuff, y'all, but you know, y'all see it before and after when we get there. You know, we ain't finna show y'all too much, but y'all, it's crazy. Your girl is moving in the morning, y'all. In the morning, y'all, I don't know how to, oh, sorry, these are not actually on me for real. I don't know how to feel, y'all. I have mixed emotions, mixed feelings about it. Like, it's dead crazy. It doesn't seem real to me at all. Like, literally a couple hours ago, my friends came by to tell me bye. Even though, like, they still live in Georgia, it's still, like, you know, always gotta say bye. But it's crazy. It does not seem real at all. Like, I'm just an hour away, y'all, but, like, it's crazy. Like I said, tomorrow is the big day. And, y'all, like, it's crazy. Y'all know, y'all, my granddad is already trying to have a talk with me. And I'm like, Chad, be for real. Be for real. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because, I don't know. It's like, yeah, your girl finna be a college freshman. You know, I might just have to experience stuff for myself. Like, I feel like ATL is crazy, you know. The men out there is crazy. Don't walk alone, you know. Make sure you on go with your surroundings. You know, I know a lot, like party wise too. Like, not saying I'm going to parties, but like, you know, I got this, like, for real. All these talks and stuff, it's just like, okay, I think your girl will get it. She got it. But yeah, my curls fell out, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, it's just a lot going on. But tune in for tomorrow, y'all. This is the pre-night look, y'all, whatever. You know what I'm saying? My last night being home. And yeah, so just tune in. Okay, y'all, so it's official move-in day. Vidd, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave soon, a few minutes actually. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. Want to say something to the vlog? Want to say something to the vlog?
Gonna be a tough day today, vlog.
And you want to say something to the vlog? What you gotta say?
Yeah, I'm gonna cry. Not excited about it.
Baby, how you feel?
You feel good? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, we don't.
Noah, how you feel?
They're gonna miss you.
Callie gonna say I'm not leaving. Taddy. Huh? Taddy, how you feel?
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Mama's talking about how you get in. They wouldn't let me in. I don't look your age, woman.
You look my age.
I thought I was one of the children going to college.
Real PA. Real PA.
Yeah.
You put up an email with a barcode.
Big ass mosquito bite on the back of your leg. That mother had a fucking feast on your ass.
This is your stuff.
Not this low. Turn it the other way. Oh. Is that other boy at the door? Oh yeah, a lot of stuff is going back home. Yeah, go ahead. Clark's at college.
Vlog update. So, ooh, we in this week. Say hey. Why you can't say hey? Anyways, yeah. So this is the floor. Yeah. Ooh, so tune in.
You say, Callie?
I live for big people.
What?
Yes.
With Clark moving? Yeah. You like her room?
Yeah. I liked it.
You gonna miss Clark?
Yeah.
Y'all tell Clark, say, love you, Clark, bye. How and tell her. I love you, Clark.
Love you, Clark.
You gonna-
Bye-bye.
What you gonna tell Clark?
Love you, Clark.
No, what you gonna tell Clark?
Bye.
What you gonna tell her?
Bye, Clark. Love you, bye.
Say hey, Mom. Say this is the before.
This is the before we get it on fleek.
What did you say?
Did you so loud?
Did you pray over your room?
People having sex in here and those demons can still be in it. And what if your pastor might want to commit suicide and that demon still in here? And you need to pray? Right. Just saying. Oh, look at that. Girl, you don't see these little spots on here? I don't know if that's the design or y'all got some mold, but
Bros. Well, y'all, we outside of my suite. Would it look kind of rough now? Y'all look how much stuff that is. Man, crazy. Y'all don't want to see that, but yeah, we not done. Y'all see the whole effect tomorrow, whatever. Feel me? It's really maintenance vlog / move-in vlog. I feel like next vlog will be like maybe how freshman week went. We just finna see. I don't know. It's crazy. College student. I just graduated high school, bro. Like, hello. But y'all stay tuned, y'all. Yeah. Good morning, y'all. It's the next morning. So you see, I'm making my bed up or whatever. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all, it still don't feel real to me. I kind of had to get myself together last night, and you know, just really get my head straight because I'm a young adult, y'all. I turn 19. I was supposed to say next month. You know, I'm a college student now. It's a lot of stuff that I have to be accountability of, responsible of, aware of my surroundings, so much more. But I do miss my family. I do miss my friends and my boyfriend. But you know, we're not too far, just an hour. Me and my boyfriend is like 40 minutes, but you know, it's a lot, y'all. But I slept good or whatever, y'all. It's August 15th, by the way. But I do miss home. Like, I was really debating if I wanted to sleep here last night, but I was like, it's time for me to step up out my comfort zone and, you know, just be a young adult. But yeah, I'm making up my bed. So, you know, I prayed this morning, read the Bible this morning just to get my head. Oh, y'all, look at my eyes in a better just position, because I feel like last night was very emotional and I didn't even feel good. Like, I didn't even want to go nowhere. Like, y'all, my curtains are messed up right now, not too much, but yeah, I'm finna start my morning routine, y'all. Made my bed up and everything. So really, y'all will see this whole look later on today, and we'll see what else I'm gonna put in this video. But yeah, stay tuned. So day 2 of moving day. How do you feel?
Look better than yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was very emotional. Was?
Yes,
We should go
very
that way.
emotional.
Yeah, very emotional. Right now we're on the way to the bookstore to get my books for classes next Wednesday. And yeah, what else you have to say?
Praying that Clark continues to make us proud. Love you, Clark.
Okay. And later I'm supposed to go see where my classes are with some people or whatever. Maybe get lunch. I don't know what we're trying to do today.
We will be getting lunch.
Yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is a quick little room update. Hey y'all, so as y'all know, this video was supposed to be a maintenance vlog slash moving vlog, and it is, but your girl is still setting up or whatever, y'all. So it might take some time, but we're still gonna get this video out. If y'all are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, y'all. And y'all probably like, what happened to your hair? Like, I see your hair different. Y'all, this weather is crazy, and the person who did my hair, it was not her fault. My mom told me what had happened, so she ordered the wrong hair, whatever, y'all. So it was nothing wrong with the person who did my hair, y'all. That's what I'm saying. So I'm just back to curly until Labor Day. So y'all let me know what video do y'all want next, because y'all, this college life is already a lot. Like, we've been having events, and y'all, I'm trying my best to get everything in this video, but it's just so freaking hard because it's just so much to get. But this was the fit today. It was nothing crazy. It was pretty calm because it's like, but yeah, so we have a long day tomorrow, y'all. I feel like I kind of missed some days of just me trying to like record everything, but y'all will see a little bit of clips of some stuff that I did get of the Greek 101. And yeah, nothing too crazy. But I think this video will be ending right here because it's just so much content that's coming, y'all. So just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, like I said. And we out. Hey y'all, so where we at? Ooh. I don't know where we at. God damn. It's induction day. Induction day. Everybody got white on. And then they got black. They got black. Yeah. How we feel?
I feel very hot right now, but I feel good. Is it going to be actual students?
Actual students at CAU. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in.
Yep. Let us hear the CAU. CCCC.